Hi guys, today's topic is about the steering wheel usage, how to turn left and right, where to hold your hands, then pull and push method as well. So let's think steering wheel is a clock. So here on the top is 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock down below, 9, 3, 10 and 2. So you can hold your hands in two places. 1, 10 and 2 in front of it, and then 9 and 3 in front of each other. Totally up to you which one do you choose, whichever is comfortable for you. So make sure you put both of your hands on the wheel. Holding hands from top or bottom of the steering wheel is not correct, plus one hand drive is not safe as well, so always have both hands on the wheel. Now let's talk about pull and push method. So I perform some of the pull and push method movements for you, so watch carefully the movement of my hands, how I'm doing it. So that's it. Make sure always you have both of your hands on the wheel, plus do not cross your arms while turning. So whenever we are turning the wheels to the left and right, it needs to come back like this. If I turn to the left, so I need to bring it back in the normal position. So now watch how I turn the wheels to the left and bring it back to the normal position, how much I put and how much I take away from the steering wheel. So if I put 15 minutes to the left, so this is how I'm doing, and then take it back to the normal driving position. Then 30 minutes to the left, back to normal position, I turn it opposite. Then 45 to the left, bring it back to the normal driving position, and 1 hour to the left, bring it back. Then 1.5 hours for lock to the left, bring it back. That's it. Now let's talk about turning right. 15 to the right, bring it back. 30 to the right, bring it back. 45 to the right, bring it back. 1 hour to the right, bring it back. Then 1.5 or full lock to the right, then bring it back to the normal position. That's it, how to use the pull and push method. Now I do some more pull and push for you, so watch carefully to understand well. So that's it guys, hope you like it. So if you want to see more of my videos, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for further content. Thank you.